Hey there guys, welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev, and check this out. Just got myself the Ledger Nano X. So this is a cold wallet to store your crypto on. So yeah, if you guys don't have one of these, I recommend you get one of these because it's much safer than keeping it or storing it on a hot wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. But to be fair, out of all the hot wallets out there, I believe MetaMask is the safest. Trust Wallet isn't safe at all. So as you can see, have a look here. This is how it looks like. I've just connected it to my laptop. I'm going to quickly unplug it for you. Right there. Let me open it up. Okay. It's got a little display over there. So if you tap, there's two buttons. You see there's two buttons here. If you tap on it, it's going to ask you to enter a PIN. So then you tap on it another time. It's asking you for the next number. So that's pretty cool. And what you do is you connect it. You connect it to your laptop. And then what you can do is download the software. And when you're downloading the software, I've got mine already here. I've already downloaded the software. So yeah, basically it will walk you through step by step on how to install the Ledger Nano X. The reason I chose the Ledger Nano X is because I can store multiple currencies on the Ledger Nano X. I think it's up to 100 if I'm not mistaken. Manage up to 100 crypto assets at the same time on one device, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. You see, up to 100. Problem with the Nano S is you can only manage a few cryptocurrencies. So yeah, if you guys are having problems with scams and all of that, and if you feel that your hot wallet is not safe, then get yourselves one of these. I highly recommend it. It's on eBay for about £129, if I'm not mistaken. It's probably around about $140. The price has most probably dropped already. So yeah, and yeah, they tell you exactly how to install it, what prerequisites you need for which kind of PCs, and yeah, everything's here. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope this is helpful. Yeah, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.